Hello student, today we are going to study NCERT Class 9 History Chapter 1 The French Revolution. This is the third segment of this video. In the previous two videos you have learned about what is the revolution in the France, how the king had ordered to the troops to kill the people and the spreading the rumors to all over the France. So people come together and in the front of the town hall in the Paris where they used to destroy the government buildings, the architectures, and they destroy the Versailles. For which they used to take all the rocks or the stones from that. Then they used to sell it in the market. After that some of the people used to preserve that stone as the consensus. Then later on, we come to know that the Louis XVI was married to the Austrian princess, by which the treasure is completely empty because they used to fought a war for a longer period of time, so that they do not have any kind of money. So they used to lend the money from the money lenders. When they are not able to pay the money, so the money lenders put a tax of 10 percentage that you have to give the loan, or you have to repay the money with the 10 percentage of the loan. Then later on we come to know that how these all the powers are used to abide under, or is used to come under only the king. So they used to levy the tax, or they used to take the tax from the third estate people rather than the first estate or the second estate people. So like the people who are in the first estate and the second estate, they used to enjoy the certain privileges by the birth. When the king want to take any of the decision like regarding the increasing of the tax, so they have to call the one national assembly where they used to discuss the different representative. Like we talk about the first estate, they are in I think 3000 in 300 representative, and the second state they used to sit in front of each other, and the people from the third state they are having the representative of, they are in 6000, so they have to stand backside. So they like this kind of, you can say, the discrimination, how they used to give the utmost importance to these two people rather than the third people. That further on we come to know about that the monarchy under the constitution means there is the king, but there is the constitution which they made the number of the national assembly. The Rousseau is the thinker who had made number of the changes in the, you can say, he used to call the number of the people by, you can say, writing in the newspaper, writing in the book, and number of the people used to read aloud that what kind of the things they have to read, and this used to follow by the common people of the that particular region. In that case we come to know that like like number of the person who do not know how to read and write, so the person who is the literate, he used to read that particular statement, or the personality which used to say what are the things are, they used to read aloud, and they said that these are the things which we have to learn from this particular estate, by which we will come to know that like number of the people used to come together and they make the certain changes in their constitution. Now when they made the constitution, what they make, they give the natural rights like the freedom of speech, freedom of expression, equality before the law, and the number of the things, the equality, irrespective of what the language you speak, what are the religion you have, they used to give the respect to them. Then in the second segment of the video we have discussed till this what are the sign they used to refer. Now this one at the left which we have to discuss now, that the red pagan cap, that the cap worn by the slave upon becoming free. When they used to get the freedom, they used to wear this cap. Blue, white, red, the national color of the France. That is true. The flag itself in the color of blue, white and red. The winged woman, personification of the law, जिसको हम कहते हैं कानून की देवी, and the law of table. The law is the same for all. All the person are equal before the law. Now come towards what the things we have to cover in this segment today. France abolished the monarchy and they become a republic. Then the next one, regain of the terror, and the third one, the directory rules of the France. So in this, the situation of France continued to be tense during the following years. It is true that it's going to be more tense. Although the Louis XVI has signed the constitution, he entered into the secret negotiation with the king of Persia. Rulers of the other neighboring countries too were worried about the development of the France and made the plans to send the troops to put down the events that had been taken place in since the summer 1789. Now the number of the people have like the number of the royal people or the king of the like what I'm trying to say is that the in the French, the nearby the country, the royal people, the king have the fear that what the kind of the certain reforms is emerging in the France, so we have to make changes in the our country. So they send their troops in the France, but like, because after in since summer 1789, number of the changes took place in the France because it is a monarchy country, but they have their own constitution. Before this could happen, the National Assembly vote in April 1792 to declare war against the Persia and the Australia. Austria is not the Australia. Austria is different. Austria is in the Europe and Australia is a different continent and the country. Or the Oceanic, we also say that. Thousands of the volunteers thrown from the provision to join the army. They show this as the war of the people against the king and the aristocracies all over the Europe. Now you can find that the thousands of volunteers thrown from the provinces to join the army, and those this war for the people against the king and the aristocracy of the Europe. Among the particular song sang was the Marseillaise, composed by the poet Roget de Islas. I'm reading in French. Roget de Lissaret. It was sung in the first time of the volunteer from the Marseillaise as they marched into the Paris. So got its name. The Marseillaise is now the national anthem of the France. Now it's the national anthem of the France. Earlier sung by, or it is written by the poet Roget de Islas, and it's sung in the Marseillaise because the number of the volunteers they come over in the France and they used to sing this song. Now it is the national anthem of the France. The Revolutionary War was brought losses and economic difficulties to the people. Now the revolutionary have to face a number of the difficulties. While the men were away the fighting at the front, now men was away the fighting at the front. Women were left to cope with the task of earning a living and looking after the families. Now while the men were away from the fighting at the front, women were left to cope up with the task for earning a living and looking after their families. So the women are also engaged in the fighting and they are also engaged in looking after their family and their children. Large section of the population were conceived that the revolution had to be carried further as the constitution of 1791 gave the political rights only to the richer section of the society, because in the according to the constitution of France in the 1971 most of the rights are given to the rich people only rather than the middle class or the poor people. So political clubs become an important rallying point for the people. So the political clubs, where the political party you can say, they become an important rallying point for the people who wished to discuss the government policies and plans their own form of action, because in this section when the people used to come with their own party, so in that particular group they used to discuss what kind of changes, what kind of plans they want to make and what kind of reforms and the revolution they want to do. So the most successful of this class was that the Jacobean clubs. This will used to ask you in the 1 marks question also, what is the Jacobean club in the examination, which got its name from the former convent of the Saint Jacob in France. So like the earlier the Saint Jacob on the name of that they used to put the name of this club as a Jacobean club. Women too had to been active throughout this period, form their own club. Now the women are also active, so they form their own club. Section 4 of this chapter will tell you more about these activities and demands. Yes, right now we deal with the section 3. In this 4, we will come to know about in detail what the things are. The members of the Jacobean club belong to mainly to less the prosperous section of the society, because these people are mostly belong from the, you can say, the third estate, if we recall it from that, or you can say the poor of the middle class. These people don't belong from the rich, they used to belong from the poor, middle class and from the poor class. This is include the small shopkeeper, the artisan, such as the shoemaker, pastry cook, watchmakers, printers, as well as the servant and the daily wage workers. So these are the people you can say mostly belong from the poor class or the third state. This leader was Maximilian Robespierre. A large group among the Jacobians decide to start wearing the long strip trouser. So you can see that how they used to wear the long strip trouser, similar to those worn by the dock worker. This was to set themselves apart from the fashionable. They want to set apart from the fashionable section of the society, especially nobles who wore knee breeches. The noble used to wear the knee breeches. Now you can think about up to the knee, but these people used to wear the long trouser. It was a way of proclaiming the end of the power beared by the breach of the knee breeches. Why they used to wear the knee breeches? They want to end the power of the monarchy, or you can say the king. This Jacobean came to be known as the Saint Cloets, or literally meaning those without the knee breeches. Saint Cloet, the man, wore in the addition to red cap that symbolized the liberty. The person you have, if you recall from this symbols, the person who wear the red cap, they become free from the slaves, so they have to wear this red cap. So here also the people used to wear the red cap that symbolized the liberty, means the freedom. Women, however, were not allowed to do so. The women were not allowed to do so. Now you can see this Nanny Valen, the liberty, this picture, which means that this is one of the rare painting by the woman artist. The revolutionary even made it possible for the woman to train with the established painter and to exhibit the work in the salon, which was an exhibition held every 2 years. The painting is the female allegory of liberty, that is the female form the symbolization, the idea of the freedom. So this is one of the rarer painting by the woman artist. The revolutionary events made it possible to woman to train with the established painter to exhibit the work in the salon, which was an exhibit held every 2 years. The painting is a female allegory of the liberty, that is the female form of civilization of the idea of the freedom. So where they're like, that doesn't mean the only men took part in the revolution. Women also took part in the revolution to make changes in their constitution. They want to end in the want the end in the monarchy, and they want the democratic country rather than the monarchical country, and the law should be equal to every citizen, whether it's male or female. So they took part in this revolution. In the summer 1792, Jacobean planned an insurrection of a large number of Persians who were angered by the short supply and the high price of the food. On the morning of August 10, they stormed off the place of the Tuileries, massacred the king's guard, and held the king himself as a hostage of several hours. Now think now what the remarkable change that took over here. They used to capture the king and used to hang it in the front of the people, and it used to hang for a longer period of the time. So in the summer 1792, Jacobean planned an insurrection. The large number of the Persians who were angered at the short supply, the high price of the food. On the morning August 10, they stormed the palace of the Tuileries, massacred the king guards. They used to kill the guards of the particular king and hand the king himself the hostage. They used to take the king as a hostage for the several hours. Then later the assembly voted to the imprisonment of the royal family, and later the assembly voted to imprison. Means all the royal family members they used to put behind the bars. Election were held. From now on, all the men of the 21 years and the above, regardless of the wealth, got the right to vote. Now, what the remarkable changes over here is that first they used to kill, or they used to assassinate the guard. They used to took the king as the hostage, and they used to put all the royal family members behind the bars. Now the election were held. Now all the people who is all the men, not the woman, all the men whose age is above the 21 years, they can give the vote. That doesn't mean only the rich people can give the vote. All the people, whether it's belong from the first estate, second estate, or the third estate, they have to give the vote. The newly elected assembly was called the convention. Now they used to call it the convention. On the 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared the France a republic. Now now it's not a no more you can say the monarchical country. Now it's a republic country. As we know, a republic is a form of government where the people elect the government and including the head of that particular government. Yes, we can include that. As you know, a republic form of government where the people have the government including the head of the government. There is no hereditary monarchy. Now there is the end of the hereditary monarchy, means first your grandfather, then your father, then you, then your son. Now there is the end of the monarchy. You can try and find out about some of the countries. Yet there are the number of the countries where earlier it was the monarchical, now it is republic. If we talk about the republic, so our India is also the republic country. And investigate when and how it become. Like if we talk about the republic, it become on 26th November 1949 when we made our constitution. But we made the republic on 26th January 1950. We become the republic country, that is the India. And the France used to become that time when the hostess are king, and they used to put the all the royal families behind the bars. Then they hold the election, and after in that then they made their constitution that all the people used to get the equal chance to give the vote, but especially the men rather than the women. Yeah, the Louis XVI was sentenced to the death of the court and charge of treason. Treason means betrayal of one court government. On 21 January 1973, he was executed publicly at the Place de la Concorde. I'm reading in the French. It's Place de la, if we read in English, Place de la Concorde. So publicly he was hanged till death, and the Queen Mary met with the same fate shortly after that. After the death of the Louis XVI, so his wife is also going to death after the few, you can say, after the few months. The right of the terror. Now the regain, sorry, not a right, the regain of the terror. So like what do we come to know about that? How they used to regain, or how they used to get the power over their territory. So the period from 1793 to 1794, like in 1 year, he referred as the reign of the terror. Robespierre followed the policy of several control and the punishment, where he used to do the several control and the punishment. All those whom he saw as the beginning of the enemy of the republic, that is the ex-noble and the clergy and the member of the all the other political parties, even the member of the his own party. Yes, like you can say that in the particular party, all the peoples are good. There are the some people, if you are working the same party, they are jealous with you, and they become the enemy of you. So in this case also the same with that Raspberry also, that Robespierre, even the member of his own party who did not agree with his method were arrested and imprisoned, and they tried to buy a revolutionary tribunal. In the court found that the guilty they were guillotine. The guillotine is the device consist of two poles and a blade. The two poles and a blade, which a person is beheaded, means when the person is going to be cut from his head. It was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. The Guillotine who has invented it, on the basis of his name, he used to put that particular, you can say this instrument where the people used to kill by from his head. So you, on the name of that particular person who is invented, he used to name this as a guillotine or the guilty. Raspberry government issued the law placing the maximum ceiling on the wages and the prices. Meat and the bread were rationed in the ration. You can shop ration shop. Peasants were forced to transfer their grains to the cities. Now they were forced the peasant to sell their grains in the cities and sell it at the price fixed by the government. Now they have to sell at the price which is fixed by the government, not according to their own self. So the use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Now they used to send the wheat at the more expensive rate. All the citizens are equal to eat the pain. That means the equality bread. That all the people now they have to eat the bread. A loaf made of whole wheat. Equality was also sought to be practiced through the form of speech. Now the people have given a chance. You can give the right to the freedom of speech and address instead of the traditional monsieur, that is the sir, monsieur, and the madame means the madam in the French men and women were henceforth citoyen or citoyen means the citizen. Church was shut down and the building converted into the barracks or the office. Now the church was shut down. Now they used to use the churches in the barracks or the in the offices. Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand modernization. Now they're demanding, we are not want to regulate the traditional form. Now they want the modernization. Finally, he was convicted by the court in July 1794, arrested on the next day, sent to the guillotine. So these are the things which we come to know that how in the 1 year they changed the remarkable change, like that the peasant have to sell their grains in the market as a, which is set by the government. Then the people have given the rights to speech and the addresses. Then all the man and the woman henceforth means the citoyen and the citoyen means the citizen give the right, they are the equal. So all the person are equal in the front of the law. Then we come not to over the direct rule of the France. So in this first we can see this picture which is painted by it's not mentioned over who is painted by, but it is a figure 11. The revolutionary government sought to mobile the loyalty of its subject through the various means. One of them was the struggling of the festival like one. This is the they are used to celebrating the festival over here, but in this symbols from the civilization of the ancient Greek and the Rome were used to convey the aura of hallowed history. If you think in the recent time we used to celebrate the Halloween, so they used to they used to fascinate from this Greece and the Rome to convey the aura of the Hellens. The pavilion on the raised platform in the middle, carried by the classical columns, was made up of the perishable material that could be dismantled. Describe the groups of people, their clothes, their roles, their action, and what impression of Reveille Festival does this image convey. You can say that different people have wear the different kinds of clothes. They belong from the different stages. Some belong from the rich, some belong from the middle class, some people of the poor. So they used to play the different roles to perform this festival, which they fascinated from the Rome and the Greece. Now come to the last topic of this segment. Directory rules France means the fall of the Jacobean government. Now the fall of the Jacobean government allowed to the wealthy middle class to seize the power means now the Jacobean club is at that decreasing level. Now who wants to take the power? The middle class, those is having, they are very much wealthy. A new constitution was introduced. Now earlier the constitution like made by the National Assembly, that is the Raspberry. Now the new constitution has emerged, denied the vote into the non-person section of the society. Now here the those who are the poor, they are not given the right to give the vote. It provided for the two elected legislative council. Then they appointed the directory and executive made by the 5 members. Now they have appointed the directory and the 5 executive member. This was meant as the safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as under the Jacobeans. However, the directors often clash with the legislative council when they shout to dismiss them. The political instability of the director paved the way for the rise of the military director, that is the Napoleon Bonaparte. Now there is a rise of the military, that is now the new character come, that is the Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte is one of the, you can say, the greatest warrior in the world history. You have heard his name many a times. He was very good leader, you can say, for the France. Later on become like kind of a certain kind of strict, but he was very good for the France. Through all the changes in the form of the government, the ideals of the freedom of equality and freedom of law and the fraternity removed. Now, what the earlier the things were very much good, now it's going to be removed. The ideas of the freedom, the equality before the law, the fraternity remained in inspiration ideals, and the motivated political movements in the France, the rest of the Europe during the following centuries. So now this thing is, we have seen all these changes in the form of government. The ideals of the freedom, yes, we find from the France. Then the equality before law, we find from the France. And the fraternity remained the inspiration idea, the motivation political movements in the France and the rest of the Europe during that century. Because from the France, the number of the countries in the Europe, they are fascinated. They are taking this policy like the freedom of speech, freedom of address, freedom of equality, freedom of law and the fraternity, all this come under this thing. So in this segment we have discussed about the France abolished the monarchy and the become a republic. Earlier it was the monarchical country, now it become the republic by um, the by the assassinating of the guard of the royal family. They took the royal family behind the bars and they took the hostage, means the Louis 16, to under the hostage for the several hours. So they abolished the monarchy country, by which they hold the election. In that election, the representative who are he made the rules, the freedom of speech, the address, the equality before the law, and the fraternity. So all by this, then we come to the Reign of the Terror. The Reign of the Terror means it's of the 1 year in which he made the number of the policies that the peasant have to sell the grains in this city. The price which is fixed by the government. All the man and the woman are the equal. This is called the citoyen citizen, means the citizen. Then monsieur and the madame means the man and the woman all are the equal in the front of the law. Then and the other things that they used to give the equal opportunity to each and every people. Then further we go that they make the certain policies that doesn't mean that that certain people have the certain privileges, so he can do all kind of work. So here he stopped that the certain of the things were not going to be done by these people. So they used to change it that this thing you can do it and this thing you can't do it. Then later we'll come to know the more further about that that the people of the France in the regain, you can see the regain of this terror, they make the different of the policies which will going to have their people. That doesn't mean they have taken away the churches from the noble people, because the first estate people, the second estate people, all the powers are taken away from them. Now they use the churches as their offices and the barracks, by which none of us have the power, or you can say none of us have the privilege to take the tax or the revenue from you. So these are the certain changes which we have seen in this chapter, like how the Raspberry or the Jacobin have made changes in the constitution, and they drafted the constitution in the natural way: the freedom of speech, the address, the equality, the freedom. All the people are equal before the law. So this all the changes which we have seen in the France, and why this the number of the France, you can say the number of the European country has taken into the consideration that we have to adopt from the France the what have changes they have made. Now in this we come to know that the directory rule of the France. Now again they used to make changes in the constitution where they used to appoint the directory, and in which they make a 5 member in the executive, where they can make the certain changes that the utmost of the rule is come under the Napoleon, or you can say the army. So there are the different changes we're going to see in the next segment of this video in the detail, that what kind of changes they want to see. But most of the European countries have fascinated, or they have adopted a number of the things. First is the freedom of speech and the addresses, that the whosoever the people is there, they have the freedom that whatever they want to speak in the correct way, so they can speak over there, they can give their speech. That doesn't mean that you can give the abusive, you are using the abusive language. If you are using the abusive language, they can going to punish you in the front of the law. If you go further, they talk about the equality, whether you belong from the first state, if you belong from the second state, or if you belong from the third state. Now there is not any kind of estate, but you are treated as equal. Then we go further, and then we talk about the people are equal before the law. Earlier the France was the monarchical, now it is a republic country. Then they used to ask you, now find some countries who are the republic. So we can say that India is the republic country. When it become the republic, it's become republic on 26 January 1950. Earlier the constitution was made on 26 November 1949, but our country become republic on 26 Jan 1950. So yeah, these are the days and these are the things which we have to keep in the mind. That certain things which we have adopted from the France constitution then into the Indian constitution. Not only our country, the number of the countries, not only of Europe, rest of the world, they used to adopt and they used to fascinate with the France constitution, how the natural, you can say the laws, which is made over there, we used to mention in this. Then we talk, then we saw the one picture in that, the France people they used to fascinate with the Rome and the Greece culture, the Halloween festival. They used to celebrate it, where the people used to wear the different clothes, and according to that, they have the different. You can say what kind of people are that. The woman who used to wear the different clothes, the servant who used to wear the different clothes, the peasant who used to wear the different clothes, and there is one another thing. The people who used to free from the slaves, they used to wear the red cap to show that we are free from the slavery, and now they given a chance to give the vote. to elect their representative. So these are the things which we have learned in this chapter, that like how the earlier the France country is the monarchy, now it's become the republic. Then they have the reign of terror, like for the 1 year, in which they make the number of the policies, the plans, they start a number of the initiatives, and they make the laws. And the third, the directory rule of the France, means how the Napoleon used to come in that, and the armies rule over that. So all this in this segment of the video, we have learned all these things. Now in the next segment of the video, we will going to discuss the other topics. I hope you like this video. Thank you.